Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to CG dropshipping at 2026. So actually the first step is preparing an account. So you'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a CG dropshipping account so you can sign up or sign in from cgdropshipping.com websites. So you'll need to be logged in to both accounts, okay? So actually, you can register just from that button, so you will need to click on register here on the top right corner, and then you will need to enter your email, password, confirm the password, and the invitation code, and it's optional if you have one. After that, just click right here, and then click on next, and there you go, okay? So, get back, after creating an account, get back to your Shopify store, and then go with the settings right here. Okay, so right now we are going to install the CG dropshipping on Shopify. So after clicking on the settings, you will need to go with the apps, okay, apps option on the left hand menu. So just click it and then go with Shopify app store. So right here you will need to use the search bar on the top of the website, and then just go with CG drop shipping. Okay, so that's the choice. Click it, and after that go with install. So once you click it, you will be forwarded into Shopify page. So you will need to click on install again just to confirm. And as I told you, you will need to be registered or logged into your CG. So actually we'll need just to click on please read and agree the sort authorization agreements, and then go with login and authorize. After that, you will need to enter the username or email and the password, the credentials in general, and then sign in. So that's the way you connect Shopify to CG dropshipping at 2026. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.